Hey YouTube and Kusambo, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be different from what I usually post. I'm really excited because I will be sharing one of my favorite niche, that is DIY. So for today's video, I will show you how to make a vintage golden mirror. We all love stylish home decor, but it can be expensive. So I will try to recreate these expensive decor items in a DIY way, aiming for high-end result at a cheaper rate. I believe in making DIY projects that are both affordable and high quality. Stick around till the end for a summary of the cost to see how much I have invested. I custom ordered this frame from a carpenter and the finishing was so good. If you are looking for a carpenter, I will link his details in the description below. This is the sample of the frame with measurements if you are interested to make one. First, I went to hardware store to have the mirror fixed in the frame. So you simply bring the frame with you and they take care of everything for you.
That's where I've been a minute. I've been trying to take my time cause it's been a minute. Really all I'm looking for is Mrs. Independent. Yeah, I heard the good girls do it better. Love a little harder and it get a little wetter. Oh my God! I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the ushy gushy shit. Everybody looking for love, but never look at it.
Good girl, real high with the latitudes, and you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful.
The measurements of the mirror were incorrect, resulting in it being too large for the frame, so they are redoing it.
Latitudes, and you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl, I'm so proud of you.
This mirror cost me $13.80 and I think it's worth it.
You say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want.
This video is sponsored by Sogat Paints Bhutan. So, Sogat gold paints come in water-based, PU-based and thinner-based options. And also these paints come in silver, bronze and copper variants. Sogat caters to both retail and wholesale customers. You can find the contact details in the description below. So thank you Sogat Paints Bhutan for sponsoring today's video. To prevent paint stains on the floor, place either cartons or plastics underneath while painting. I got these ornaments from Lazada. This part came broken, so try from Amazon and Flipkart. Maybe they might have good packaging, but it's pricier than Lazada. So this is me figuring out which placement would look best. Originally, I intended to replicate the mirror in my shop, but since this was unavailable, I opted for same one with flower pattern instead.
Yeah, I heard the good girls do it better. Love a little harder and it get a little wetter. Go and get good girl whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking.
Sand and frame before painting serves several purposes. 1. Surface smoothing. 2. Improved adhesion. 3. Enhanced finish. The type I used is the thinner base in 200 ml. I didn't use thinner assuming it would be thin, but it turned out thick. I suggest using thinner for the first coat and normal paint for the second coat and after. Applying paint evenly helps prevent drips and runs. So, applying paint evenly reduces drips, runs, or pooling, which can lead to unsightly streaks or uneven coverage. 2. Professional finish. An even coat of paint gives a professional look, minimizing visible brush strokes, drips, or uneven patches that can detract from the final result. Third, durability. Ensuring paint is applied evenly helps to create a strong and durable protective layer which can better withstand wear and tear, weathering, and other environmental factors. Fourth, uniform appearance. Even application results in a smooth and consistent appearance across the surface, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of the painted frame.
Baby girl, I was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we could hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl,
5. Optimal coverage. Even application ensures that the paint covers the surface uniformly, providing adequate protections and color consistency.
girls do it better. Love a little harder and it get a little wetter. Going gets good, girl, whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking
Overall,
it.
applying paint evenly is essential for achieving a professional-looking, durable finish that enhances the longevity and appearance of the painted frame.
Good girl, real high with the latitudes, and you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl, I'm so proud of you.
Painting wooden ornaments closely ensures consistent finish. Painting them closely ensures that the paint covers all surfaces evenly, preventing any unpainted spots that may be visible once installed. In summary, painting wooden ornaments closely is essential for achieving a professional finish, seamless integration, and long-term durability.
Good girl, real high with the latitudes, and you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent
Second coat paint for frame and ornaments improve coverage. So, second coat helps to ensure complete coverage, especially over areas where the first coat may have been thin or uneven. This result is a more uniform and opaque finish. 2. Enhance color depth. 3. Increased durability. 4. Smooth finish. 5. Longevity. In summary, applying a second coat of paint ensures better coverage, durability, color depth, and overall aesthetic quality of the painted frame.
The next day.
As you can see, my brother is pulling out the nails since I had to take out the mirror from the frame because I couldn't reach the inner corner to paint it. So, to prevent such mistakes, you could either just paint the inner frame or opt to paint the entire frame altogether.
really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we could hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go.
Giving a last touch-up helps ensure its overall quality, durability, and aesthetic appeal, providing a finishing touch that enhances beauty and longevity.
Going gets good, girl, whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the ushy gushy shit. Everybody looking for love, but never look at it.
Want you to go someday. Long as you do that, long as you do that.
Good girl, real high with the latitudes, and you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl, I'm so proud of you.
Gluing ornaments allows you to customize the frame to match your style or the theme of the room where it will be displayed.
And you're smart, turn around what them brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl, I'm so proud of you.
Enhancement. Ornaments can enhance the overall look of the frame, making it stand out.
You say you wanna make it happen.
3. Stability. Gluing ornaments securely to the frame ensures they stay in place and withstand handling or movement without falling off.
You can keep the keys to your dreams. See the magic world, you know I'm all yours. This love is a free of the bold dreams. You took the words right out of my mind. Just need a good These guys don't finish last. They just wanna take their time.
Baby girl, I was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we could hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't notice where I've been, I have been a menace. I've been trying to take my time cause it's been a minute. Really all I'm looking for is Mrs. Independent. Yeah, I heard the good girls do it better. Love a little harder and it get a little wetter. Go and get good girl whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away
To ensure the ornaments stick to the frame, firmly press them on and place a weight on them for a few minutes.
Good girl, real high with the
Remember to measure and mark the desired placement for the ornaments before sticking them.
I'm so proud of you.
Your dreams. See the magic world, you know I'm all yours. This love is a free of the bold dreams. You took the words right out of my mouth.
Girl, good girl.
Attach these ornaments slightly above the frame to prevent it from falling off.
They just wanna take their time.
Good girl, real high with the latitudes. And you're smart, turn around what them brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl, I'm so proud of you.
In summary, gluing ornaments to the frame adds visual interest, personalization, and stability, enhancing its appeal and making it a unique piece of decor.
Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one. I'm a flower in the bloom. I could shower you with love. You can keep the key.
If you don't have hot glue gun, use the most common superglue that you will find from any hardware or other stores.
Baby girl, I was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we could hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't notice where I've been, I have been a menace. I've been trying to take my time cause it's been a minute. Really all I'm looking for is Mrs. Independent. Yeah, I heard the good girls do it better. Love a little harder and it get a little wetter. Go and get good girl whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the ushy gushy shit. Everybody looking for love, but never look at it.
Want you to go someday. I'm gonna take you there. I'm gonna take you there.
Wiping off all dirt and paint residue after completing a project is crucial for preserving its appearance, functionality, and longevity. Ta-da! So our golden vintage mirror is ready. I know this wasn't metal like the original one, but for duplicate version I thought this looked pretty awesome. So the question is how much I have invested to DIY the entire mirror. My grand total to DIY the entire mirror was 4,165 Newton. This project took me 2 days. So what do you guys think about it? Is it worth it? I hope you didn't miss out on giveaway rules. I will update the giveaway details on my social media and YouTube shorts. So good luck!